Mubango wa gutigirira akenya othe nimarahota kwamukira motungata ma ugima wa mwiri UHC niaruguririo ni Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kuri kaunti ciothe 47. Mubango uyu wambite kurugurio kaunti-ini nya guku bururi-ini. President Uhuru akiuga niukoretwo ukiruta wira na njira nene ya gutigirira akenya nimamukira urigitani na marihi mathi na oho nimarahota kwamukira urigitani thibitari-ini cia mwingi.
Health coverage pillar of our Big Four agenda. Under this pillar, we seek to eradicate the poverty of dignity and to transition our nation into an era where no Kenyan should be forced to choose between medical bills and other essential needs.
Is the standards of health, not just the quantity of health, but also the quality, of health. And today, sir, this is the subject that brings us here together to ensure that we can upgrade the quality of healthcare.
Kurumirira kurugurio kwa mubango wa UHC kaunti-ini ciothe, Uhuru ni athite ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, ministry ya kigina na ruhonge rwa ubangi na uthii wa na mbere gutigirira tabarira ciothe cikonainie na UHC ni ciatirihwo gwikinyiria mweri-ini wa 6 mwaka uyu.
NHIF establishes a centralized healthcare provider management system to ensure efficient management and payment of claims and data collection. And today, I direct the NHIF to ensure that this system is set up and fully operational by the end of June this year so that Kenyans can benefit.
Akenya ni moretio kuyandikithia na kadi cia NHIF. President akiuga kadi ino ni gukorwo na uguni munene guoka ni gukinyaniria ugima wa mwiri kuri akenya othe, kuona gutire mukenya urekaga guthie gwetha motungata ma urigitani agitigira marihi ma urigitani maya gukorwo mari iguru muno.
Tuasema kama Wakenya tunataka kumaliza umaskini. Huwezi umalize umaskini kama ugonjwa utaingia nyumbani kwako, huna kadi ya insurance, uende uulizwe maelfu na maelfu ya pesa.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, Mutongoria wa bururi ni ahingurire kigomano gia kimabũrũri kigie ugima wa mwiri. Kigomano giki kirehete hamwe anyiti itemi a ugima wa mwiri guku bũrũri-ini na nja wa bũrũri. President akiuga bata wa kigomano giki ni gutigirira anyiti itemi ni moka na njira ya kwambatiria gikiro kia mathomo kiria arigitani guku bũrũri-ini maramukira kurora ni makinya mariko Kenya itashukitie hoka ni ugima wa mwiri niki thirikari yagirirwo ni gwika niguo kugacirithia ugima wa mwiri guku bũrũri-ini. Ripotera Kameme TV, Returako ni Wanjiru wa Foro.